Welcome to 3D Analyzer Software, the comprehensive AutoCAD plugin that delivers high-end functionality without the high cost. We understand the demands of modern woodworking. You need seamless CAD to CAM integration, nesting, labeling, shop drawings, and manufacturing documentation, all within tight deadlines. In this industry, time is money. Here's how our solution works. Draw in Analyzer CAD, generate all manufacturing data, nest, and create machine code in CAM. This video demonstrates how our software can take a project from design to manufacturing readiness in under 12 minutes. Let's begin in AutoCAD by opening a blank drawing. Our software includes a dedicated template that sets up everything you need for efficient job processing. After loading the template, we start by drawing a line to define the area where the joinery will be placed. Our solution seamlessly integrates with your existing AutoCAD library. Here, we're loading a pre-drawn library item and positioning it with basic AutoCAD functions. Using our plugin, you can quickly access an extensive range of pre-configured items. In this example, we'll load corner cabinets, plinths, drawer cabinets, fillers, panels, and wall cabinets, all the components needed to complete this project. Our plugin simplifies placement using AutoCAD's dynamic blocks. Every block includes multiple snap points and an alignment tool to ensure precise rotation and positioning. All library items can be easily stretched to the required size. Working in 2D simplifies even the most complex jobs, making adjustments intuitive and efficient. With Analyzer CAD's easy-to-use tools, a simple 2D line is transformed into a 3D wall. Loading global settings restores all defaults, and by adjusting configurations, settings can be saved for future use, eliminating the need to reconfigure each time. Now, let Analyzer CAD do the work. With the press of a button, your 2D drawing transforms into a 3D model. AutoCAD's flexibility allows you to design additional elements beyond our library. Here, we quickly create a custom pinboard for the back wall. In just a few minutes, you've successfully completed an Officefitout design. Next, we prepare the project for production. Shop and manufacturing drawings are effortlessly generated using Analyzer CAD's 3D tools and layout features. 6 drawing pages are automatically set up, complete with title blocks, making it easy to generate professional documentation. Now that our drawing is complete, let's move forward with production. Using our intuitive tools, we temporarily hide unnecessary components before sending the design to manufacturing. Any items not sourced from Analyzer CAD's library require additional properties. In this demo, we manually assign names, materials, and machining details to 3 such items, 2 benchtops and a pinboard, ensuring that Analyzer Manufacturing processes them correctly. Analyzer CAD's plugin includes shortcuts, reducing manual data entry. The Set Next tool streamlines property assignment for non-library components, making it an essential time saver. Now it's time to leverage real automation. With a single click, the project is sent to Analyzer Manufacturing, where cutting lists and machine operations are calculated instantly. After entering project details, we select job-specific materials from Analyzer Manufacturing's customizable library. Materials are effortlessly assigned from the library. Running the geometry script triggers an automated process that calculates edging and machining operations. These can be reviewed for each cabinet after processing is complete. Analyzer Manufacturing's extensive cutting list provides a detailed breakdown of components, including edging specifications. With one final click, Analyzer Manufacturing exports all necessary data, completing its task. Now, we move on to optimization, machining code generation, and labeling, ensuring components are ready for cutting, edging, and assembly. This is where Analyzer CAM excels. As another AutoCAD plugin, it offers powerful yet simple functionality. Load a list of same material components, select a sheet size, and optimize with a single click. AutoCAD's basic move tools allow grain match parts to be repositioned, grouped, and re-optimized for a seamless grain pattern, delivering a professional finish with minimal effort. Once optimization is complete, the project is ready for machine code and label generation. With a click, sheets are named according to your preference, ensuring a smooth workflow. Not all optimizations are perfect on the first attempt. However, simple move commands allow you to adjust the layout before finalizing the cutting pattern. Here, you can see how Analyzer CAM generates complex machine code in seconds. Customizable labels provide as much or as little detail as you need, making part identification effortless. From start to finish, this entire process, drawing, calculations, cutting lists, machine operations, and code generation, takes just 12 minutes. Now, simply load your 5 sheets, press go, and start building. Our software is available for as little as $7.50 per day, provided you already have AutoCAD installed. The 3D Analyzer software team is dedicated to exceptional customer service. Our support is available via web chat and email, with an extensive online knowledge base covering frequently asked questions. Support is offered on a pay-as-you-need basis, so you're never locked into a contract. Free training videos are available on our YouTube channel, Analyzer Academy, and on our knowledge base on our website. We have also created a Google Classroom for our subscription customers to access, so you can work at your own pace. Personalised one-on-one training is also available on our website and can be purchased as needed. Thank you for taking the time to explore our software solution.